Welcome to your Gaggenau vacuuming drawer. It enables quick and convenient vacuum sealing of food for preserving, marinating, or preparing for sous-vide cooking. The Gaggenau vacuuming drawer offers 3 vacuum levels. The strength of its vacuum varies depending on the application. Level 1 for delicate items. Level 2 for softer foods. Level 3 for its strongest seal, adding flavor to or marinate food such as meat, fruit and vegetables, or for sous vide preparation. When vacuum sealing in a bag, the food's cell pores open and the marinade is quickly absorbed. It can also extend food storage for refrigerator, freezer, or the pantry. Place small jars in the drawer for sealing homemade products. It can vacuum seal containers outside the chamber as well. Attach the external vacuuming adapter to reseal glass bottles such as cooking oil or wine. It's the perfect complement to the sous vide mode in the Combi-steam oven. In this case, use the original food-safe and BPA-free vacuum sealing bags, suitable for a temperature range of -40 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is easy with a microfiber cloth and hot soapy water. The Gaggenau 400 series vacuuming drawer. The difference is Gaggenau.